Okay, this is an example of a two-state binomial option pricing model for a call option. So what is the value of a call option given the following information? The price of the stock is $100. The call has a strike of $110. The risk-free rate is 10%. In the next period, the stock will either go up to $120 or decline to $90. The likelihood is equal of both states. What we have here is we have the hot stock over here, and the stock's going to the stock can start out at $100. It's either going to 120 or to 90. And then we have a call, which is we don't know how much it's worth, but the value of the call, remember the strike is 110. The value of the call is it only has value in the upstate, so it's the value is the stock price minus the strike, which is 120 minus 110, so that's $10. So it's worth $10 in the upstate and 0 in the downstate. So next thing to do is calculate your hedge ratio. So the hedge ratio for a call, signified with H. So that's value of the call in the upstate minus the value of the call in the downstate, divided by the stock price in the upstate. And I don't know why they changed the notation, but they do. So divided by the stock price in the upstate minus the stock price in the downstate. So this is 10 minus 0. So we've got 10 here, the call in the upstate, 0 here. We divide this by the price of the stock in the upstate, 120, minus the price of the stock in the downstate. So we get 10 divided by 30, or 1/3. So what this tells us is that we're going to need 3 calls to hedge 1 share of stock. Okay, so so now we have to create a riskless portfolio. So we're going to have 1 stock, and then we're going to have 3 calls. Okay, and then we have the stock equal to 90. So the value of the stock is worth $90. This is the downstate. So the calls are worthless in the downstate. See that? So then we have the stock and the upstate, 120. So this is 120, and then we have 3 calls. So that's 3 calls at $10. That's worth $30. So what we have to do, we have to short those calls. So that's a negative. We have to short those calls in order to make these 2 portfolios of equal value. So what we've done is we've created a riskless portfolio here. So now we take the present value of our portfolio, and that's 90 divided by the risk 1 plus the risk-free rate. So that's risk-free rate's 10%. So that's 1.1. That's $81.82. So, um, so the um, the present value of our portfolio has to be equal to uh, our stock and 3 calls. So S0 minus 3C, so our beginning price minus the 3 calls is got to equal 82, I think. Yes, sorry, 82. So, why don't we just start over? There we go. So stock price is 100. 100 minus 3C is equal to 81.82. So we rearrange 3C is equal to 100 minus 81.82, which is $18.18. So 3 calls, the cost of 3 calls is $18.18. So 1 call is just 18.18 divided by 3, which is $6.06. So we've calculated the value of a call. In the next one, we're going to use the same example, except we're going to convert it to a put option, and then we'll explain put call parity.